Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here with Guaranty RV in sunny Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to introduce you to this 2016 Winnebago Itasca 35P. It's in great shape, beautiful full body paint. I don't see a scratch on it. It's got two big slide outs, an outdoor TV. It's very nice, great floor plan. Let's go have a look inside. Okay, now that we're on the inside, you can see the colors are really nice. It's this traditional dark wood color. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't see any scratches or marks on it. It looks brand new. As you move into the living room area, it's an extra large sofa. It's got an automatic recliner. Super comfortable, especially for a motorhome. This is one of the better sofas I've ever seen. Very, very comfortable and plush and large. You also, across is a dinette. Very comfortable dinette with the slide out here. You can see the integrated 50-inch TV. It's at a great viewing angle. You're not straining your neck. It's a part of the living room. It's got built-in surround sound speakers. As we move into the kitchen area, you can see solid surface counters, lots of counter space here, stainless steel stainless steel sink. And then you can see the microwave, which is extra large. It's also a convection oven, and then you have the gas burner stove. And as we move back, you can see the extra large 4-door refrigerator. That is really nice, and of course it's got a freezer. And then a very nice sized bathroom. That's always nice to have. This RV is very, very clean. It really is. You wouldn't know that it's a 2016. It's in great shape. And then as we move into the bedroom here, you can see this. You got a really nice headboard there, king size bed, king size mattress. Looks very, very comfortable. I'm a big fan of the headrest, headboard area. So you can sit back and watch TV, and you can see there's 2 windows there, so you can look outside as well. Huge closet space. There's no issues here with space. Also a TV and more windows, and of course not too common in motorhomes, but this one has a ceiling fan, so that is very, very nice. Alrighty. Again, my name's Rob.Kavanaugh. My information is here. Come on out to Guaranty RV out in Junction City, Oregon. Come have a look at this one or any other one we have on the lot. Have a great day.